Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Jeannie Beltran Minisis, 38 years old, single. I live in Caraol, Dagupan City, Pangasinan. I have one brother and one sister. I am the second child of the family. I am college level. I took a Bachelor of Science, Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I work in Saudi Arabia of 4 years and 10 months to a couple with 4 children, ages of 4, 10, 8, and 5 years old to 2 years old, sir. I do household like chores, cleaning house, cooking, laundry, and car washing, sir. And the main duty is cleaning. I taking care of children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always secure safety of the children, sir. When the baby is sick, I will take the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call the employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad to provide my family, especially my parents, and to earn money with my future, sir.
If you get hired, you will take care of your responsibilities at home.
Yes, sir. My parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus my work and remind myself that I need this to.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10:30 after my work is done and wake up 5 a.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'll be more patient and calm myself, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir. Only a big dog, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to extend if needed, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Like the wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as a helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir and ma'am. I promise to serve your family that I will do my best, sir. Thank you.